Hello, my name is Harsha Topre and I am from section 1. So, my first question is why MBA? Since I am a BSc graduate in a computer science stream, it is a career change from me. A variety of topics that are covered in MBA will help me to build a lot of skills which will help me in multiple industries, and apart from the topics theoretical part that are covered in MBA, there is a lot more going in MBA classes which will help me to learn the management skills as well as the skills like teamwork, leadership, communication, smart work, and many more. So I think by pursuing MBA and getting these skills, I'll be the better personality in an industry. So that's why MBA. And the next question is why IPER? So my first preference is Bhopal only, and I have seen this IPER Institute on the digital world, like on social media. The activities, projects, events, assignments, including the sports and the cultural activities which are organized in this institution, is an excellent way to know our interests and to polish our skills and showcase them. So that's why IPER. And the last question is my career plan. So I could see myself being a great leader and a manager who gives her 100% in the work and pushes the employees to be better and therefore make the company better. So that's all from my side. Thank you.